Guys, today we are in Cave City at the Kentucky Action Park. We're going to check out the go-karts. Over here at the Kentucky Action Park, they have got the Alpine slide, they've got go-karts, they've got zip lines, they've even got a rock climbing wall and bumper cars. There's quite a few things over here, and it's a fun little park. It's just right outside the town of Cave City.
Yeah, Colin.
It's so hard, like when you get toward the wall pit, right? It's just like, yeah.
You gonna go again?
Guys, if you're over in Cave City, you might want to stop by the Kentucky Action Park, check them out. There are all kinds of activities here. You can get an all-day pass. You can buy just individual rides. They've got the alpine slide, go-karts, the wall climb, just all kinds of stuff, zip lines. So stop by and check them out. Also, guys, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.